It's been an eye-opener to join the VAR side. Dell for so long had been a direct company, and they prided themselves on that. And then about halfway through my career there, we really opened up to the partner community. One of the first times I met Bob, he told me that he reached out to Michael Dell and said he was going to be one of their greatest partners. And in fact, I think that came true. It also goes with other OEMs. I recall being at a meeting when I was at Dell where he was meeting with NVIDIA. And NVIDIA is one of the hottest technology companies in the market out there right now. So working with Future Tech as a partner, we always knew it was a plus because we always knew that their customer-centric focus was going to be hard to beat in the marketplace. But when we had to compete against them, especially in the program space, it was hard. You know, everybody likes winning, but sometimes you end up losing out to a company like Future Tech that knew what they were trying to do.